Hello dear students and respected viewers, welcome to my channel Ahfaz Educational Smart Way of Learning. Today's video is about telling the times in English. Okay, let's start. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 past 11. What time is it? It's 10 past 11. What time is it? It's quarter past 11. What time is it? It's 20 past 11. What time is it? It's 25 past 11. What time is it? It's half past 11. What time is it? It's 25 to 12. What time is it? It's 20 to 12. What time is it? It's quarter to 12. What time is it? It's 10 to 12. What time is it? It's 5 to 12. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock.